Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kidde 440330K hose and nozzle assembly. And this video is to primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. For Dry Chemical Pro 20 TCM-5 and Pro 20 MP, let's go over some dimensional review of the item. Overall length, 16 inch. Length of the nozzle itself, about 1 3/8 inches. Length of the threaded portion alone, it's about 5/16. And there is a link below this video to a parts diagram, which we'll look at in a moment. The outside dimension of the hose is 0.818, 0.818, and then the diameter of the threads, just for the sake of taking that information, 0.496, 0.496. So that link to the parts list that's down below, you can review that, find your part number 14, that is your hose and nozzle assembly. Whoa. And the different models are listed there that this part 14 is compatible with. The point being is there are 7 models that will feature a part 14. This is the 440330K. Then that link to the parts list as well is a document that would comprise all of the Kidde fire extinguisher parts for all of the models that we have. So the link down below is just the page where this hose and nozzle assembly occurs, and then the parts list link is all 10 pages worth of it. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kidde products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Kidde 440330K hose and nozzle assembly or any other Kidde product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.